This is Unomax Matrix Mechanical Pencil. This pencil costs rupees 40, 0.7 mm, 20 pieces of leads found in this box. Value for money. Metallic body in this pencil. Grip is comfortable. Slimmest grip while compared with most of the pens. Metallic clip, metal parts here and there. The clip part, the cap is not a metal, it is a chrome finished plastic. Other than that, slimmest grip in this mechanical pencil gives a nice feel to hold and write. Even the leads are more dark while compared with other brands. Value for money because of its lead. Standard small rubber. You can check the writing impression of this pencil. Thanks for watching.